Welcome to this edition of the First Aid Show. Often people are unsure whether they should call 999 as they don't want to waste the time of the EMS. In this film, we asked a paramedic for their thoughts on the reasons why people delay calling the EMS.
We occasionally find that we attend an incident or somebody's house and they have not called for help as soon as their symptoms have come on. And I would really encourage people, particularly if confusion or behaviour is abnormal, if they have lost consciousness or if they're experiencing extreme difficulty and distress in breathing or chest pain. So as it's so uncomfortable, even with pain relief, they can't relieve it. You should call for help straight away. And by help, I mean call 999. This is a medical emergency. Don't call 111 and think, I don't want to inconvenience the ambulance service, because we have a really effective triage system that will decide how quickly you need a response. And we have trained clinicians on the end of the phone that can delve deeper into your symptoms and decide what would be an appropriate response based on how you're presenting. So if in doubt, call 999.